Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the area and protecting finishes. Turn off power at outlets and lift switch plates because you don't want water in electrical boxes. Score the top seam with a sharp utility knife. This lets the remover reach the adhesive. Now spray warm water or a wallpaper solvent evenly and wait 5 to 10 minutes so the glue softens. Once done, test a small pull to check release. You want the paper to peel without tearing. You now focus on controlled removal. Start at a loosened section and pull slowly, keeping the scraper at a low angle to lift adhesive without gouging the wall substrate. If the paper rips, stop, reapply water or remover and let it sit. This prevents fiber damage. For tough spots, bring in a clothes steamer for short pulses. Steam breaks down glue faster. Make sure to wipe residue away as you go so the remaining glue doesn't dry into a crust. You finish by removing all adhesive and prepping the surface. Use a TSB substitute to remove oils and glue traces, then rinse and let the wall fully dry. Moisture traps will ruin primer adhesion. Inspect for gouges, fill with lightweight spackle, sand smooth with 220 grit, and vacuum dust. Finally, apply a stain-blocking primer so new paint or wallpaper adheres evenly. If edges lift later, check for trapped glue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.